Hey everybody, it's the fabulous Farm Babe Pam Yankee. I am thrilled to be your MC and moderator through Thursday of Dairy Strong. Remember, it's the 19th and 20th at Monona Terrace Convention Center. I don't know about you, but I look so forward to getting back together with old friends and networking with industry leaders. And that really is one of the strengths of Dairy Strong. We're going to talk about renewable energies of all different types, things that are on the horizon, and you need to be a part of that conversation, be it live or be it virtually. Network with industry leaders. That's what I'm looking forward to. Please register today and plan on joining us. Dairy Strong 2022, January 19th and 20th.
Well, hey everybody, Aaron Zimmerman here with the Midwest Farm Report, your leader for agribusiness news and updates all day, every day. And we're excited to be part of the Dairy Strong Conference that's coming up here in January 19th through the 20th. And I'm excited, along with the rest of our team, to be emceeing the innovation stage as part of the trade show at the Dairy Strong Conference. We hope to see you there, hope to learn a little bit more about all the innovations in Wisconsin dairy, and hope you can get registered to show up on January 19th and the 20th at the Monona Terrace here in Madison.
Hey everyone, I'm Stephanie Hoff with the Midwest Farm Report, and I am so looking forward to the Dairy Strong Conference. That's January 19th to the 20th at the Monona Terrace in Madison. I'm especially looking forward to emceeing the innovation stage on Thursday morning. That's where I'll be when I'm not working, sampling a new dairy-based sports drink. Dairy keeps us strong, so let's keep dairy strong. You can still register at dairyforward.com. We'll see you there.